how to fix Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 error in Valorant. So let's get started. Firstly, restart your computer normally. When your screen flashes with the logo, press the dedicated keybind until you enter the boot menu. In BIOS settings, look for the boot option. While it looks different on each machine, you may have to explore the internet depending on your machine. The most common place is to look up under boot configuration, and this is how it looks on a Dell laptop. Then simply select Secure Boot and enable it. Save changes and restart. If you don't have UEFI enabled, you need to enable it first and then enable Secure Boot, as Secure Boot works in UEFI mode. Then enable TPM 2.0. TPM 2.0 can be enabled from the BIOS settings, and you can use other methods including a restart script and changing H key on your system. TPM is also known as TPP or system security depending on your machine. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS settings. Navigate to Intel Trusted Platform Module Technology or TPM and enable TPM. Save changes and restart your computer. Then Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 can be checked on your machine without restarting. So firstly, type system information in Windows search and press enter. In system summary, look for BIOS mode. It should be on UEFI. Check Secure Boot, which should be on status. Under TPM details, check the version. It should be 2.0. You may check this from the device manager. Then error WAN 9003 Secure Boot. Go to Valorant folder, select Riot Client Services.exe, right click and go to Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8 and apply. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.